You are welcome to another topic today. How to grow your broilers up to 8 kg in this season. Just backyard broiler farming. Growing your broiler farming up to 8 kg with Eco Bio Booster. Have you seen it? This is an Eco Bio Booster. You can see the birds, you can see how they are doing. Just watch, let me pick some of them at random and show you some of them at random. You can see Eco Bio, this is just 4 weeks. And at 4 weeks, I can't weigh them now, but this broiler is weighing more than 2.5 kg at 4 weeks. See it? I'll pick some of them at random and show you some of them at random. And see them Eco Bio Booster. See them here. See them. Eco Bio Booster. See them. See them. In this particular video, I will give you 18 steps, 18 secrets you can use to grow your broiler up to 8 kg using our Eco Bio Booster in your broiler farming, backyard broiler farming, growing your broiler up to 8 kg this season. Relax. In this particular video, we are going to go through step 1 till the 18 secrets. You get all of them. The number 18 will surprise you. Make sure you watch the video till the end. The 18th secret is the cocoa of the whole thing. See them. Let me show you the broilers and how they are doing. You can see them here. You can see them. Are you seeing them? Please watch to the end so that you get the best from this particular video. This is the Eco Bio Booster, the organic probiotic, growing your broiler up to 8 kg in backyard broiler farming. This is the vaccine of the Eco Bio Booster. This is the only organic product that is giving you the maximum results. Within the 3 decades I have been using different boosters, this is the best I've ever met. Eco Bio Booster. Let's go and complete the project right away now. Are you interested in growing your broilers up to 8 kg? Please make sure you watch this video till the end. And if this particular topic interests you, if you are interested in this particular topic, please give it a thumb up right away. And make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers. I know that many farmers are eager to grow their broilers up to 8 to 10 kg in this period. Many want to smile to the bank this period, this festive period. This is the best product for you, Animal Booster. All natural organic supplements containing chelated essential minerals, trace elements to enhance the growth and improve performance of your poultry and livestock animal. This is the by C. I'm going to give you all the mineral and vitamin content of this particular EcoBio booster and how you can apply it to grow your broilers up to 8 kg and above. At the same time, at the end of the video, I'll give you another video how to organically fascinate your broiler and livestock animals using EcoBio booster. How you can organically rear your broilers using EcoBio booster in combination with other synthetic vaccines. If you need that topic, please give this video a thumb up, and in the comment section, please drop it in the comment section also. Very soon we are going live. We are starting our live broadcast where you can meet me on live and ask different questions concerning your poultry and livestock animals. I just understood that many farmers are facing a lot of challenges this festive period. Many have overstocked because they want to maximize their profit this period, and some of them have already entered in the red line. Some are already looking for a way to get their capital back, not even the profit again, because of a lot of questions I'm getting on my direct messages. We're going to treat why you are making that mistake, the cause of the mistake, and how to remedy it within a short period of time so that you still be able to make your profit. If you are interested in that live broadcast, please let me know the number of people that are interested. Let us go live together. Please drop your comments. If you are interested in the live, say I'm interested in the live broadcast. Then that will also facilitate my mission on going live this period. If possible, tell me the time that is suitable so that we can know when to fix our live broadcast.